Hi everyone. I wanted to do an introduction for this new unit folder and a new week's worth of content. If you go to Course Tools, you will see that the new unit folder is at the top of the screen. We're going to move through group presentations pretty quickly because we don't actually get to do them ourselves, but there is some really important information regarding effective group communication in the chapter readings for 27 and 28, because so often we have to work with groups on the job in your other classes and that kind of thing. So there are some great tips there for how to make your groups the most effective. And so I would like for you to read those chapters. Now, typically what we do for the group presentations is we have a question answer session afterward. So I do want you to be familiar with some of the tips that are afforded to you through Appendix B at the back of the book. So if you read that content, then there is a quiz that you'll take by Wednesday. And then I'd like for you to watch the example of a group presentation. Sometimes this NicerTube link works and sometimes it doesn't. So there is a supplemental link provided for you inside of the folder if the NicerTube video doesn't work right now. But you will have a discussion forum post by Friday where you look specifically at the way that this group communicates with one another, how they have a successful group presentation. Plus, it's a great reminder on how we use movement, our bodies and gestures in order to enhance the quality of our speeches. So watch that video and do the discussion forum post by Friday. And then there is an assignment sheet for a group presentation evaluation that you do in essay form by Sunday. So if you click on the unit folder, you will see that there are PowerPoints there for the reading that might help you to glean the most important aspects of those chapters. As a reminder, you know, our final that we do for class is comprehensive. So the content from all of these chapters will be on that test, and these PowerPoints give you a nice way to review content without having to go back and read the whole book again. All right, so here is your group presentation quiz over the chapter readings. It is timed, so make sure you plan wisely for that, and that's due by Wednesday. Here's the supplemental link for the body language video, the group presentation that I want you to evaluate in case the NicerTube link doesn't work. And then the discussion forum gives you some specific details. Please make sure you answer all 3 prompts. And then note that this is a post first forum, which means that you have to make your initial post before you will see anyone else's posts. I do want you to then go back in and reply to at least 2 other people so that it's more like a classroom discussion that we would have where we are all contributing. Okay, so that's due by Friday. And then the group presentation evaluation, there is a link inside of that assignment link that will give you the details of the assignment that is due by Sunday. So if you click on that, it will tell you what I'm looking for. There's the link for the group presentation and some details about the assignment. The things that I want you to comment on, now you can do a separate paragraph for each one of these bulleted items if you would like. Now these bulleted items are taken directly from the evaluation form that I use and the peer evaluation form that you have been using. It's just basically kind of helping you to see how those all fit together. Now remember, for a proper essay you would want to have an introduction and a conclusion. Maybe the conclusion would be your overall ranking for the speech, for example. All right, and remember that tutor.com is still available to you through the course menu. So and then I also saw that the Blackboard orientation sent out a reminder about the availability of the library, and then I'll post something that our writing center at Cowley is still doing as well. So I want you guys to put your very best writing foot forward and complete a great paper that will help to boost your points in the class. If you have any questions regarding group communication, please don't hesitate to ask. Reach out to me through email or text. Some of you signed up for Remind, and so I can reply via text if that works best for you. So have a great week. Let me know if you have questions, and stay well.